Good morning. Today is Tuesday, February 16th. I'm Jane King for The Street from the NASDAQ market site in Times Square. Four oil producers agreed to freeze output at January levels. Energy ministers from Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Russia, and Venezuela are leading an effort to freeze output at those January levels, dashing hopes of a cut in production. However, there is a big contingency, and that is the other big oil-producing countries must go along with that idea, and that does include Iran and Iraq. Now, Iran says it is willing to discuss a production freeze once it reaches pre-sanction output levels. While Chinese stocks rose the most in 3 months overnight, this after data showed the nation's banks doled out a record amount of loans in January. Also, reports say policymakers are expected to release a package of measures to ensure economic growth is in a reasonable range this year. And Wall Street heads back to work today to assess what the death of Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia means for business. The pending docket, set to be wrapped up by the end of June, includes a number of cases of interest to business, workers and investors, among those Puerto Rico's financial crisis, schools and teacher unions, and the class action case against Microsoft. Well, the Empire Manufacturing Index is released today. The National Association of Home Builders Index is also reported, and the Consumer Analyst Group of New York conference begins in Florida. And that is a wrap for us. But be sure to track breaking news and analysis all day at thestreet.com, at the NASDAQ market site in Times Square. I'm Jane King for The Street. Have a great day.